Hey everybody, it's good to be here at the Krusty Cantina. We got a real special show for y'all tonight, featuring my new best pal, this guy. He's an idiot.
So, what are we gonna sing about, Spongebuck?
We're gonna sing a song about friends.
What kind of friends, Spongebuck?
Well, listen up and I'll tell you. Who's there for you when you are sad and down?
Hey!
Idiot friends.
Who picks you up and smacks you all around?
Idiot friends. Who puts thorns in you so you can save the town?
Idiot friends, idiot friends,
Idiot friends.
Da 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 do da do do do.
Idiot friends.
Da 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 do da da da.
Idiot friends.
Dee da da do 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 da do. You know, Spongebuck, all we've been doing is singing about what I've done for you. Well, what have you done for me?
Who helps you pick your pants up off the ground?
Thanks, buddy.
Curses!
Only an idiot friend would do that.
Let's bring it home, idiot friend.
Okay.
Who let you ride on his coffin?
Who slaps you hard and often?
What do you and me have in common? We're idiot friends.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Thank you very much. Hey everybody, it's good to be here at the Krusty Cantina. We got a real special show for y'all tonight, featuring my new best pal, this guy. He's an idiot.
Yeehaw! Howdy, cowboys! Tonight we're gonna draw Spongebuck SquarePants
Sing about Spongebuck.
from
We're
the
gonna sing a song
SpongeBob
about
special,
friends.
Best of the
Kind
West.
friend, Spongebuck.
Well, listen up and I'll tell you.
It's the origin of one of SpongeBob's great
There
ancestors.
for you when you are sad and down. Idiot friends.
When a horse jockey
Up and smacks you all around.
who gets the
Who puts thorns in you
who arrives
so
in
you
a
can save the
old town
town?
called Bikini Gulch in search for a fry cook job. He cooks up the best chili, but instead he was given the job of sheriff.
Idiot friends.
Let's just say that the last sheriff was buried in Boot Hill.
All we've been doing is singing about what I've done for you. Well, what have you done
And this
for me?
sheriff has done a long way
Helps you pick your pants up
and has
off
done a
the
lot of great
ground.
things protecting his town
Only
from
an idiot
destruction.
friend would do that.
Starting with
Let's bring it home, idiot friend.
Okay.
Who let you ride on his coffin?
Who slaps you hard and often?
What do you and me have in common? We're idiot friends.
He's protected his city from
Thank you very much.
an evil rancher named Deadeye Plankton.
Hey everybody, it's good to be here at the Krusty Cantina. We got a real
Here's
special
his
show
sheriff's
for y'all
belt.
tonight, featuring my new best pal, this guy. He's an idiot.
So, what are we gonna sing about, Spongebuck?
We're gonna sing a song about friends.
What kind of friends, Spongebuck?
Well, listen up and I'll tell you. Who's there for you when you are sad and down?
Hey!
Idiot friends.
Who picks you up and smacks you all around?
Idiot friends. Who puts thorns in you so you can save the town?
Idiot friends, idiot friends,
Idiot friends.
da 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 do da do do do.
Idiot friends.
Da 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 do da da da.
Idiot friends.
Dee da da.
Here's his cowboy boots.
You know, Spongebuck, all we've been doing is singing about what I've done for you. Well, what have you done for me?
Who helps you pick your pants up off the ground?
Thanks, buddy.
Curses!
Only an idiot friend would do that.
Let's bring it home, idiot friend.
Okay.
Here's his shoes.
Who'll let you ride on his
Yeehaw!
Too hard and often.
What do you and me have in common? We're
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a spongebuck. Until next time, boys. Yeehaw!